Do you know welcome emails generate up to 320% more revenue than other promotional emails? Sounds interesting? Hi guys, my name is Shelly and in this video we will talk about how you can generate sales with welcome email. A welcome email is the first communication you have with your customers. That's the only appropriate way to attract and keep customers happy. So with welcome emails, you can easily boost 4 times the open rate and 5 times the click-through rate. So it has become important to make a value-packed welcome email to welcome your new subscribers. So do you want to know how it's possible? Well, stick with me and let me guide you. But before that, I would request you to hit that like button and please subscribe to the channel as well. So let's get started. To generate a good amount of sales, what you can do is send welcome emails in real time. What I mean to say is the moment when someone signs up, send them a welcome email immediately, because this is the only time that is crucial to attract and satisfy the customers. So don't miss out this opportunity to gain their trust. Some marketers make the mistake of sending welcome email 2 to 3 days later after their customer signs up. And those are the people who are not getting enough sales through email marketing. So make sure you don't make this mistake, okay? Another point I would mention is thanking the customers who just signed in. You all know how good it feels when someone thanks you for something. Similarly, in this case, by adding like thank you, we are here at your service in your welcome email would make the customer feel good and satisfied to go ahead buying your product. So use this beneficial trick by sending thank you note and then see the amazing results. Now comes the next step, which is to start a drip marketing campaign. Drip marketing is an email marketing strategy composed of multiple automated emails sent out specific times and dates. So with the help of drip campaign, you can get more and more customers getting attracted towards your brand. Drip campaigns are a great way to stay on the top of mind with your current and potential clients. As soon as they sign in to your site, they will enter into a drip cycle, automatically getting access to information they need. For all the new subscribers who are unaware about your products and services and your brand, the drip campaign will be beneficial to make them aware of what you are selling. Okay, so I hope you are now clear with the drip campaign and you will include this in your email marketing strategy. And the last one to generate sales through welcome emails is offering incentives. You all know how excited we get when there is a festive sale or any exciting offers available on either Amazon or Flipkart. So making sales by satisfying customers with incentives or exciting offers will definitely help to boost up your sales in a day or two. Just by offering let's say a 10% discount on products or maybe a free delivery on products increases the chances of getting potential customers. And if in case you are not comfortable in giving discounts on your products, another way out is encourage existing customers with referral program. It is also an effective way to drive sales, just like offering incentive is. All you have to do is to ask your existing customers or subscribers to share the link of your site with their family and relatives so that they can buy the product and add up to the sales. With this simple method, you can have a better scale of revenue. Your already fixed customers will share with others and in return will get some incentive too. So using welcome emails with referral codes will encourage your business growth without much work at your end. So with that, we have come to the end of the video. If you found this particular video useful, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can join my Facebook community, as this Facebook group community is all about how you to start your own online business without prior knowledge or experience. You can find my free VIP group below this video. Okay, go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. Thank you for watching it so far. Bye for now.